Hi, it's Cowboy Tom from Sandbaggy. Before you start one of your wood projects, make sure you have Sandbaggy tie plates. These things are strong and they last. Whether you're building a house or just a personal project, Sandbaggy tie plates are awesome. Sandbaggy tie plate, TP35 Simpson plate. 1 millimeter thick, 10% less. Just like I like my steaks, thicker is better. Sandbaggy tie plates. These are hot dip galvanized to give you extra rust protection. Save some money and get some cash. Up to 50% discounts off the big box retailers. Buy direct at Sandbaggy. Right now Sandbaggy offers 2 different sizes with more on the way. This tie plate is 1 13/16 inch long by 5 inches wide with 13 pre-drilled holes. This tie plate is 3 1/8 long by 5 inches wide and 23 pre-drilled holes. The hole opening is 1/8 inch.
Sandbaggy is an American Christian-run company based in California that's trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.